Chef Katherine here with another easy, delicious dish for you to try. This is a super seasonal, springy asparagus. That's a lot of words. Okay. It's citrusy, it's cheesy, it's absolutely delicious. Let me show you how to make it. First, we're gonna take our asparagus. We have it here in one layer on a plate, and we're gonna season it with olive oil. Next up, lemon zest. Gonna pop a flavor with that, so super good. Salt, fresh ground pepper, and the star of the show, grated Parmesan. If you can get a block of Parmesan and grate your own, you'll never do anything differently. It's so good that way. Now we're gonna preheat our air fryer. 4 minutes, start. BRB. So before we put our asparagus in the air fryer, we're gonna give it a good toss. Clean hands. This is another fun thing that the kids love to make a mess helping with. Just gonna make sure that all of that asparagus is nicely coated with the lemon zest, the olive oil, the salt, pepper, and the Parmesan. Our air fryer is preheated to 400. We are going to open the basket, make sure that that crisper pan is in there, and then carefully spread the asparagus in one layer, get all that cheesy goodness on top. 400, 6 minutes. Can't wait. One minute. Yes, golden bubbly. Oh my gosh, this is so yummy looking. The perfect spring or summer side dish with some grilled chicken or fish, a little salad, a glass of rosé. Sounds so dreamy. Okay, let's give it a try. You could use a fork, but I'm not going to. So good. I can taste that lemon zest, the salt from the cheese. Delicious, fresh, wonderful. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what else you want us to make in the comments below. See you again soon. Bye.